Are you creating a Google search campaign? Then you're going to want to watch this video, because I'm going to share with you one of the classic mistakes that people make when creating a Google search campaign. I call these Google gotchas, which are the sneaky little default settings that Google have embedded in their Google ad system, which are really designed to make you spend more money for very little return. I'm going to walk you through it in exactly this video right now. So here I am in my live Google ad account, and there's a whole bunch of these Google gotchas, which are, as I said, embedded in the Google ad system. I actually I've compiled a whole list of them. You can go to this particular URL and download all of them, but I'm going to show you one of them in this video. So when I am going to create a new campaign, and I'm going to just walk you through real quick. Let's pretend I'm trying to drive sales, assume that it's the same conversions that are set up, and I go to create a search campaign, website visits, let's just call it test search, and it's right here. So start new. The bid strategy, we can just leave it as conversions. We click next, and here is this sneaky setting, right? It's defaulted ticked on to include the display network. Now, you do not want the display network included in your search campaign. I'm not saying you don't want to use display at all. By all means, that's an entirely different conversation, but you want to separate your search campaign from your display campaigns. Don't mix them together in the one campaign. The data you get on the performance of that campaign will be really skewed, and it's going to be really hard to monitor the performance of it. So make sure you deselect this, and most of the time I also deselect Google search partners. This will keep your search campaign really tightly focused to just Google search, which for most people, when they're creating their search campaign, is really all they want. They don't realize by leaving that checked that their ad is going to be on the display network, and you'll get hundreds of thousands of impressions for probably very little return. Alrighty, so make sure you don't fall for that trap, and definitely check out our Google Gotcha guide that you can download for free, which has a whole bunch of Google Gotchas. I think there's 14 or 15 of them that you can download for free. If you like this video and you found it helpful, hit that thumbs up icon, subscribe to my Teach Traffic YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.